great Christmas decor ideas. DIY Christmas tree ornaments. Make your Christmas tree sparkle with handmade ornaments. Use old buttons, ribbons, and glitter paper to create stars, snowflakes, and little hearts. Attach a string or hook, and your DIY ornaments are ready. These not only look stunning, but also save money while adding a personal touch to your Christmas decor. Cozy Christmas table centerpiece. Bring warmth to your dining table with a cozy Christmas centerpiece. Use pine cones, candles, fairy lights, and small ornaments arranged on a wooden tray. Add touches of green pine branches for that natural, fresh look. This simple setup instantly makes your dining area feel festive and welcoming. Living room Christmas makeover. Transform your living room into a magical Christmas wonderland. Start with warm string lights, hang a wreath, and place a decorated Christmas tree in the corner. Add soft blankets, red and gold cushions, and a few candles for cozy vibes. Your living room will glow with festive charm, perfect for family gatherings and holiday photos.